The sun burns high above the savanna, and the heat settles heavily on the land. Under the relentless sun, the pride slows, conserving every breath and movement. In a world without mercy, even a small patch of shade becomes precious. The wind rises, carrying dust and grit, testing both strength and patience. Vision fades as the savanna fills with dust, yet the pride presses on. With water gone, thirst becomes the greatest threat of all. Step by step, the pride moves forward in search of life. A hint of green appears on the horizon, and with it, fragile hope. The water is scarce, shared carefully, knowing it may not last. As night falls, the savanna grows quiet again, survival earned through endurance.